In recent times, we are listening about caste census. Originally, the census started from 1881, but whereas caste census, which is also called a socio-economic caste census, started in India in 1931 by the British government. What this caste census will provide? The caste census will calculate the population based upon the caste demography. How much percentage of the population belongs to this caste? How much percentage of the population belongs to this caste? So that how much people are developed or how much section of people are getting welfare schemes from this particular caste. So caste-based enumeration will help us to identify how many people are getting welfare schemes, how many people are not getting welfare schemes, so that we can make a policy according to the requirement. That is the main objective of caste census. We know that in this poll, the BJP government is against caste census, whereas Congress government is asking for caste census. So the main objective is caste-based enumeration and how many people are in poverty in this caste and how many people are developed in this caste and how many people are getting welfare schemes, how many people are not getting welfare. This particular enumeration comes under caste census. Thank you. Jai Hind.